If you want to maintain your privacy while using Kayak, hiding your online status is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Kayak app. Launch the Kayak application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear or 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Find privacy settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the section labeled Privacy or Account Privacy. Tap on it to access your privacy options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, locate the option for online status or show online status. Toggle this option off to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button and tap it to ensure your settings are updated. By following these steps, you can easily hide your online status on Kayak, allowing for a more private experience.